to my Google Earth tour. So today this was designed for fourth grade students who are working on learning the processes that shape the earth, and in particularly erosion. So we would start in Missoula, Montana, and then we would fly to the Grand Canyon. We are first going to be looking at river erosion. So we would fly all the way there. There's a photograph here for students to reference as we go. And then we'll go all the way into Street View on Google Earth. And this would be an ideal time to give students an opportunity to think about how the Grand Canyon was formed, talk about the geological processes that are unique to the Grand Canyon, and really get a feel for what it looks like down in the canyon. Then we could exit Street View and zoom out, and this would be a nice opportunity to talk about how the whole Grand Canyon region has been extensively shaped by rivers and water erosion. After the Grand Canyon, we would fly to the Franz Josef Glacier in New Zealand, so all the way around the world. And then we could go, there's a photo of it for students to look at. Then we could drop down into Street View. And you get a nice view of the U-shaped valley and the glacier hanging on the end there. We could talk about different types of glacial moraines, which you can see in the middle of the photo. We could rotate around and see how the U-shaped valley extends all the way down. Then if we exit Street View, we could zoom out and talk about how glacial valleys are formed, and specifically how glaciers have retreated over time, which is very evident in this image. Lastly, we would talk about wind erosion all the way in here, and we could close that photo and go to Street View again. And this image has a nice variety of really up close, you can see the individual waves in the sand, and then in the distance you can see the large dunes that are created from the wind erosion. Then we could exit Street View, and one more time we could look at the larger scale of these white sands, see what direction the wind is coming from, talk about different patterns from that wind erosion. Okay, that would be the end of my Google Earth tour, and in the end we would fly back to Missoula, Montana to end our tour. Thank you for watching.